Welcome to the video that will show you how to program and connect the iSense smart radiator to the heating management system. To pair the iSense with your network, proceed in the following order. On the radiator display, on the main screen, press the 3-line symbol. Then, quick setup and enter the default PIN code, 0000. Then OK. Select your language and your user profile. It's important that you select the correct one, since each profile has predefined settings that are specific to the type of dwelling. Connect to your network, and log on to your app on your mobile device by pressing OK. Refer to the instructions on your application to complete the connection of your device. Once the product is connected, press OK to exit the connection mode. The device will automatically return to the Setup menu. You can now set up the date, the time, the comfort and eco temperature. You can view the different modes and select the desired mode by pressing directly on the screen display. In auto mode, after an initial period, the radiator will analyze the occupancy cycles and will learn and adapt to changes in your occupancy patterns, delivering the most efficient heating cycle. You can increase or decrease your comfort or eco temperatures by pressing the arrows on the display. From the Program Assistant, you can choose from a list of preset programs. If you are not satisfied with the timetable of the chosen program, or need to make changes, you can modify it day by day or in a group of days. For precision, the time can be set by the minute. Once you have set your schedule, you can copy it to one or more days. For convenience, you can choose, create, or modify a program directly from the application on your mobile device. The iSense application interface offers 3 levels of views for smart, easy control. From home to area to device, managing your heating has never been easier. With easy navigation, interact with your home, office, or building through an intuitive app that puts you in control. Switch from different modes, set temperatures, and program your heating requirements with minimum effort. For guaranteed comfort and maximum energy savings, the iSense heating management system offers highly advanced features that will make your savings even greater. With open window detection and presence detection, your heating is activated or deactivated when you need it, with zero waste. A pin lock function prevents unwanted access to specific settings, and with the comfort temperature limitation, you can be sure your temperature settings cannot be increased. Unexpected increase of energy consumption. Let the Integrated Energy Assistant advise you on how to reduce your energy bills. A system of anticipation and optimization to reduce energy waste that allows you to monitor your expenditure in real time. And thanks to the Manager account, with the iSense heating management system, you can control up to 1,000 devices from one account. For further information, contact INTELLI HEAT, where a member of our team will be happy to help.